old. Now let's start. Okay? Ready in 3, 2, 1, and go.
Happy birthday, Daniel!
4 seconds. Okay, so na tayo kay Ate Kim. Punta ka na kay Ate Kim. Please, 4 seconds yung kayas natin. No? Madali lang ibit ka. Okay, so ikaw na kuya. Hello. What's your name? Emmanuel. Ilang taon na si Kuya Emmanuel? 7 years old. Now let's start. Ready in 3, 2, 1, and go. 32 seconds.
Mananalo, be, oh. Mananalo yung
God bless. Thank you so much. Pwede ka na muna. Punta ka na kay Ate Kim. 32 seconds, right? Now next. Hello, Kuya. What's your name? John Mark. Is it correct? John Mark. Ano, ilang taon na si Kuya John Mark?
Kala ko doon.
5 years old. Yan. Handa ka na ba? Are you ready? Alright, now let's start. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, and go! 24 seconds. Sayang mo lang ng mahal tayo nila. Thank you so much. Uwi na tayo. Thank you so much. Punta ka sa parents mo. Bago na tayo sa 30. Hello to Princess. Wow. Favorite ko yung nasa head mo yun. Magkano mo nabili mo? 1,000? Charot.
Di ba malamig
Hello, what's your name?
Bigay na natin kay
I
Ate
love
Kim.
your energy. Ilang taon na siya?
8 years old.
8 years old. May talent. Charot. Okay, let's start. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go!
Happy birthday, Daniel!
23 seconds. Ayan, sayang, kulang pa. Maraming salamat, God bless. Thank you so much. Hello, what's your name? Ang kanyang pangalan. Is it Angelo? And Chester. Ilang taon mo po siya matay? 3 years old. Handa ka na ba, Angelo? Handa na siya. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, and go!
Happy birthday!
6 seconds. And okay lang yan. Bago na tayo next game. God bless. Thank you so much, man. Kuya. Hello, what's your name? Wow, ilang taon na? 6 years old. Now, let's start. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, and go!
Happy birthday, Daniel!
50 seconds! Congratulations! Ikaw na ating hayat. Kuya, God bless. Thank you so much. Pwede na kayo mo. Okay, congratulations. 15 seconds ang hayat. Now, last na lang. Okay, 50 seconds. Kaya natin ibig yun? Kaya natin yan. Hello, what's your name first?
Stephen Daniel.
Wow, ilang taon na? 6 years old. 50 seconds ang hayat. Kaya natin yan. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, and go! Second. Congratulations, Kuya. Pakapal po natin siya. Siya po ang ating winner. Congratulations. You get your prize. Here, at the back. Nadalaw pa siya. Sorry, bigyan pa siya ng speakers. Thank you so much. Next, dito naman po natin pambansang palaro. Madalas po siya pinapalaro sa birthday party and Christmas party.